So now I gotta pull this out, take it up, and put the new upholstery on it. One of my fog lights went out, so I ordered these fog lights from Auxito. Actually, I didn't go to the website, but if you do go to the website, you can use my discount code DKSENTME, or go to the Amazon link, which is a lot cheaper. These are normally $70 something, or you can catch them on sale for $49, but these actually right now are on Amazon for like $25. So here's the factory seat. The cloth is not that bad or anything like that. It's just, this is my daily driver, and my kids are bigger now, so I don't really need the cloth anymore. When you spill something, you can't get down there deep in the cushion, so it's just gonna seep in and get rotten over time. So here's the leather, and here's the cloth. Nothing wrong with the cloth seats. They're perfect. They actually look good in this car. But I just wanted to upgrade the seats. This is a little project that I wanted to do. So first, what I want to do is get these clips out of here. It's right here in the front. There's a clip right there. Get this clip out right here. Like that. And do the same thing all the way around. Chairs are really tight. Seat is off. Just pull it up. I still gotta take the other side off, but I didn't get to do it yet because you gotta go underneath. There's your sensor right there. I think this engages the passenger airbag. It's a sensor there, so you gotta be nice and careful with that. Alright, so I have the bottom seat off. Just want to let you guys know that this is going to be held on with hog rings. So I'm going to go ahead and take these hog rings off and put this seat back together. That's all. Alright guys, so this is the seat with the cloth cover off. And as you can see, there's some stains in here. I'm not sure what's this orange stuff, but on the passenger seat there was purple stuff here, all splattered here. This is the cons of having cloth upholstery on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing done. As you can see, like right in here, maybe something spilled in there. And I'm not sure what else went through here. Alright guys, so I got the first hog ring in. It's right there. You gotta scoop it up underneath there. The hog rings come in like 3 different sizes. This one's a little bit wider. I prefer this one right here because it's a little bit thicker. The other ones is smaller. As you can see, that one's smaller. Boom. The smaller ones you probably couldn't get around it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna use a larger one so you guys can see how that looks. These are a little bit thin, but so that one's in. So you guys can get to see it. It's in down there. So it's open like this, and then underneath this little thing here, you got to try to scoop it in there and grab the bar that's in the seat. So I'm going to push down on this so I can get over the so yeah, we're in. So yeah, starting in the middle, you can pinch the bottom. We're hooked in on there. You pretty much hold your finger there until you can clamp it. Alright, so we got it on. We gotta do the sides now. Alright, so I'm gonna do this and then I'll come back to you guys after that. Alright, so we have the last one here in the back. There's a hog ring already around it. I can take this out, but Let's see if I can take it out. Yeah. Better off taking it off. Alright, so the whole thing, the entire thing is now set. Everything's in. This is good. I've got to smooth out these wrinkles, but it's brand new leather, so you can either just put it in your car and let the windows down and let the heat take care of the wrinkles, or you can get a steamer. Alright, so just so you guys know, there's nothing wrapped around the airbag. Guys, so when you're putting this on, you gotta flip this thing upside down and then start from the top and then pull down as you go. Make sure the Velcro is on both sides are kind of aligned in here. Push it down as far as you can. Right, so that's the top. You got your the holes for the headrest. It's right here. You're just gonna poke a few holes in there because you're gonna cut that later. Start with the first thing here and hog ring these in. Make sure it's lined up straight with the Velcro. So the first one would be right in here. We're gonna start putting hog rings down in here. Thing down, get it behind it. Here, get it down behind the bracket there. Put these little clips in here. You see these little clips? They go to the back. Then what we're gonna do is pick it up and try to pull it down as tight as we can. Pull everything down, has to be tight. This part has a little bit of a looseness in it. Got some wrinkles there. I probably can get those wrinkles out if I just tighten this up just a little bit for the Velcro. The Velcro is in this corner, so. Yeah, so there's the driver's seat. As you can see here, we got a little bit of wrinkles there. But all in all, it looks really good. It's not a professional job or anything like that, but it still looks good. My daughters like these little pillow things, so I got not really pillows. They're like Brom racing seat harness pads. You just open them up like this. The Velcro. And you just get the seat belt and wrap it around just like that, but underneath it works like this. They like these. They like to put their head on these things. I didn't want to get that like kitty one with. I didn't want to get no kitty teddy bear ones, unless it was a Labubu. They had a Labubu one. So yeah, little Brom racing seat things there, and when they hold it, they just slide it up and down. They put their head on this, or I'm not even sure if it would be by their head or anything like that, but just to spice it up a little bit over here. Alright guys, so thank you for watching the video, man. The seats, I mean, they're nice. I mean, as far as this little wrinkle here, but other than that, everything else looks nice and smooth. Obviously, we're not running any racing seats right now. Maybe these pads are an indication of something that might come in the future, you know? So, yeah. My daughter didn't probably like this. They can... the leather seats do give the car a little bit of the pop, and it does feel a lot better. It smells like leather. It doesn't smell like new car, but I really do like it. Hopefully you guys like the video, man. Just wanted to share this little install, this little project I wanted to do. Of course, I could have got different colors from cat skin or whatever, but I got a steel on these. So yeah, the seats look pretty good. This is my first time installing these things. It was pretty tough, but if you just follow the way you're supposed to do it, and don't get too aggressive, have some patience, and then you can get through it. But thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully this helps somebody out there.